Okay, it finally happened. I gotta do it. Hey folks, thank you for joining me today. You guys are awesome. Subscribers, thank you. Those of you that haven't subscribed, you're awesome too. You just didn't know you needed to subscribe. So go ahead, pull that trigger, push the button, ring the bell, do all that stuff, please. I would greatly appreciate it. Patreon patrons, you guys are awesome. I can't thank you enough. Thank you for your support. And if you're not a Patreon patron, consider it. Please, it would help us out a lot here, and I'll put a link everywhere so that you have the opportunity to do that. All right, so yeah, I had to go get myself another battery. The old Craftsman built-in battery, it finally died. Over here is that Black & Decker charger, trickle charge, starter thing, and the last time I came out here, I couldn't get it started. The battery has degraded so much. The Black & Decker has been very helpful in getting the thing going up until about last week. Well, first part of this week. And it clicks and it just does not have enough cranking power. That just tells me this battery is beyond being able to take a charge. So I've got a brand new Duracell. No, they didn't sponsor this video or anything. But this is the one that I got at my local battery store. And I'm going to leave a link down below so that in case you have a lawnmower situation like this, and then we'll also talk a little bit about which battery this is and what some of the options are. But before I do any of that, I got to get this battery out of here. So let me take you on a little journey to get this thing out. Use our Amazon link down below. When you do, it helps us out and it doesn't cost you a penny more. And after using the link, save it to your bookmarks so you can have easy access to it in the future. Thank you. Got the fan on. I'm in the garage. It's hot. Let's go quick. It's simple. I'm going to take the positive terminal off first. Tell me, guys, what do you think? Oh, you know what? I need another. Oh, no, I guess not. There you go. Can you see that okay? Yeah. Taking positive off first. I figure that's probably the most safestest. Oh, a light just went out. Give me a minute. Okay, light back on. I'm telling you folks, you don't know what hot is until you've dealt with Texas heat. Ugh. All right, so let me know, what's your theory? Do I take the plus side off first or the negative side? I take the plus side off, that way there is, even if this touches something on the ground, there's no way that this is going to charge up the system if there's no plus, right? If there's no send, there's nothing to come back. So if you've got a different theory on that, let me know. So it's very simple. Take these little guys off. Set them aside. There's a spring-loaded thing here. Hopefully we can do this together. Got another wrench. I'm real sorry. There's no way to get a good angle while in here working on this thing without my elbow blocking. So if you could just put up with me for a while, I am going to get that thing out of there. And all I did was I manhandled it, got it out. All right, let's, and the reason why I want to get this out now, I got to take this back. The guys where I bought this from, he was kind enough not to charge me a core charge for the old battery. So I want to make good on bringing this back because he was trusting me to bring it back, and I explained him the situation, and he was so good. I appreciate it. His name is Corey. Thank you, Corey.
Thank you.
All right, let's get this thing out of here. Goodbye, part number 725-1704A. You served me well. Let's pop this baby in. I'll put details of this battery in the description down below. It's as simple as putting it in the right way. That's not the right way. Go this way. Just slide that baby in there like that. This little guy does something goofy like that. Just snaps right in there. That's pretty simple. Does this just come right out? It does. It does. All right. So I guess what? Do the reverse. All right. Take this guy. Let's see. We took this off first. This off last. So this should go on first. Does that make sense? What's your theory? I think I will do that. Just like that. Pull that baby off. Don't need that anymore. Slide that in there. Do that. I now have a couple of wrenches. There you go. Nice and snug. Okay. Let's put this side on. Same thing. Unscrew that. Be careful not to touch things that I shouldn't touch and ground myself because, well, it could hurt. Okay. I'll put that in there. I will open that up just a little. There we go. All right. Put the little handy dandy cover on there. I think we're good to go. All right. Well, let's give it a start up. We'll make sure the choke is on. Brake is fully in. Slide the key in. Let's start her up. Okay, started right up. That's what I like to hear. Brand new battery. It's got, instead of the 300 battery, I got the 350, which has a little more cold cranking power. Hopefully it's going to last me a little longer. The guy at the shop said he's seen these batteries properly cared for lasting up to 5 years. The previous battery only lasted about 1.5 years. But these Duracells are supposed to be pretty good, so we'll see how that goes. If you're interested in it, I'll put a link down below. You can get yourself one of these batteries. Easy to purchase, easy to put in. Get your Craftsman going again, or any lawnmower actually that requires a battery. They're fairly universal. I'll leave links below so you can do a little bit of research on my website and you can see what you need to do. All right, I'm not going to mow right now. You've seen me mow before. Besides, it's real hot out there. I'm going to wait till the sun goes down, and then I'll run around the yard with my lawnmower and finish mowing my lawn. Come on, girls. Have fun. You're welcome. Okay, so that's all we got for you today. I had to get out of that garage. It was hot and oppressive. It's nice out here. We got a nice breeze going.
It can get a little windy, but not the kind of wind that blows you over.
Chickens are out. They're eating. How you guys doing? Hanging in there? Thank you for coming along on the journey today. I just had some things I had to get done, and I figured if any of you need help with changing a battery, I just wanted to show you. That's how simple it is. Don't forget, I've got links down below to that battery, links to the other videos that we've done on that lawnmower in case you're interested in that lawnmower. Wow, bird was after a cicada? That's pretty exciting. I don't think she got it. Yeah, that's all. Leave me a message if you need to. You know how to get a hold of me. And if you haven't subscribed, go ahead and do that, okay? I'd love for you to do that. Appreciate it. Have a great day. We'll see you next time. God bless you. God bless America. May America bless God. I gotta go change the water. Looks like I gotta get some gas.